When we are talking about the advanced technologies, then we come across the technology called cloud computing. What exactly is cloud computing? So, under cloud computing, we have the Azure, we have AWS, we have GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform. So, there are multiple technologies that comes under cloud computing. But when I am specifically talking about what exactly is cloud computing, it is something which is a storage which is not available on premises, but it is on a cloud basis where we can access it online from anywhere, anytime. So that is one case. Now, many of the people get confused that if I would like to work on AWS, if I would like to work on Azure, so I need to pay the amount to learn or to work on it. But it's not true. Do you know that we can create the Azure account or AWS account for free? And in order to have that free account, there are certain credentials, certain details that we have to fill it up in order to create a free account. So let's learn. Hi, I'm M. Asif Hussain from KnowHow Academy. What are we going to learn in this video? We are going to learn how should we create Azure free account. So now we are creating this free account in order to load some data or create some storage which can be helpful for us for Snowflake. So by the end of this video, you could able to get a very clear idea on creating the step-by-step process of creating a free account in Azure. So watch till the end. My dear viewers, here under Google, I have to search for Azure free account. Okay. So when we search for Azure free account, here the first link that we are getting at, let's click on that. As soon as we click on that, we have an option for try Azure for free. Okay. So if I would like to show you the details, Azure free account, what is the facility available for new Azure customers? We can have the access of more than 20 plus popular services for 12 months. Okay. So when I am talking 12 months, it's equal to 1 year as well. So we can have the access of 65, more than 65 free services, a full catalog of which costs about more 200 US dollars. So these are all the benefits that we are going to get at when we have this free account, though you are creating it for free for 12 months. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to try Azure for free. Okay. So as soon as I click on try Azure for free, we can see that it is asking me some details. Okay, it is asking me some details. So what kind of details? If you are not new, and we can even go and sign up for this one. So what is my country, what is my first name, what is my last name, what is my email address, what is my mobile number as well. Okay, so the mobile number, if I would like to give my mobile number, so here I have entered my mobile number. Now it is asking me for a verification code perspective. So let me just click on text me so that I'll get some text message into my particular number that I have given here. So let me enter the verification code. So I have entered the verification code. Let me click on verify the code. Okay, so the code is verified. Now it is asking me all these details. If you would like to give these details, it's up to you, or else. Now it's here PAN ID is optional. So let me give the name, any name, your choice. Okay, if you do not have any organization that you are working in, you can just give XXX or ABCD or 123. It's up to you. Okay, so let me give 123, 123, something like this. Let me select the state. Let me select the postal, write the postal code. And now we need to just click on this agreement that you are accepting it. Now click on next. Okay, so here we have to think about one interesting thing is that, so when we are trying to create this free account in Azure, we have to give our credit card details. Okay, so we have to give our card details. So the point here is that though we give the credit card details, it will not detect any sort of amount from the card details that we have given until 12 months. Okay, till 12 months it will not cut any sort of amount from our credit card. And even after the completion of 12 months free trial, without our notice, without our notice, without our permission, it will not activate and detect the amount from the credit card. So it's safe. Okay, until unless we give permission to activate and start detecting as per the credits that we are using, that is the secondary case, it will start detecting the amount. But until unless we give, it won't cut or it won't detect any sort of amount from the card that we have given. So here we have to give the card details. So let me give the card details here. So let me click on sign up. After giving the card details, it is asking us the OTP. So initially what it is doing for verifying that this card is actually working or not, it will detect the amount of 2 rupees, and again this 2 rupees will be credited back into our account within short time. So I have entered the OTP. Let me click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, I will be redirecting into the successful completion of our creating Azure account. Alright, so as soon as we have successfully created our card details, we have entered our card details. After we get the OTP, we submit the OTP. Then finally, after successful creation of our Azure, we will land up here into this Azure Portal page. So we have to go to Azure Portal here. And when we come into this Azure Portal, we can see that there are multiple things that we have into this particular account. All right, so there are multiple services, there are multiple things that it will accept. So these are all the different services that Azure gives us. Now depending upon the requirements, depending upon the projects, what we are going to do is that we will be going and using these one of the services whichever we require. So my dear viewers, in this video we have learned how to sign up or create Azure free account. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source for IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate the tech world. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.